Bosch is the acknowledged worldwide leader in jigsaw technology, and the powerful 6.0 amp top handle Bosch JS260 Jigsaw is another example. The Bosch JS260 Jigsaw features a heavy gauge steel footplate that can withstand tough cutting applications, and a precision machined plunging mechanism and low vibration design for enhanced accuracy and smooth operation. The variable speed control includes a dial on the trigger of the tool that sets maximum speed, and an accelerator trigger controls operating speed. The Bosch exclusive multi-directional blade clamp provides superior grip of T-shank blades, while a toolless blade change system delivers fast blade insertion. The blade ejection lever eliminates the need to touch a hot blade. 4 orbital action settings provide different blade strokes for smooth to aggressive cuts, and an always-on dust blower keeps the cutting line clear. An ergonomic top handle and 2-finger trigger provide a versatile, comfortable grip. An easy-access lock-on button is great for steady long cuts, user comfort, and control. The Bosch JS260 is a powerful, versatile jigsaw with an ergonomic top handle design. So this is the Bosch JS260 6.0 amp top handle jigsaw. For more information, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch jigsaws.
Get precise with the Craftsman corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. Featuring a variable speed trigger, this saw offers tremendous control, as well as 4 orbital settings to adjust the cut aggressiveness depending on your material and application. A bevel shoe lets you pivot for angled cuts, and its lightweight design and contoured overmolded handle makes it comfortable to use. At the end of the workday, it can be stored conveniently within reach. Make clean cuts with the Craftsman corded 5-amp variable speed jigsaw. Craftsman, we build pride.